when you're on the job, downtime costs. And the bigger the job, the more it costs. That's why when it comes to heavy machinery, most people think Komatsu. They build tough stuff. Built tough to last. But even the best machines need pit stops, and that's your next choice. You can either get a local bloke to give them a quick once-over, put in a few cheap parts and get them back out the door, or you can get proper service from Komatsu. We built them, so we know how to get the best out of them. Komatsu wheel loaders are as tough as they get. Big machines for big jobs. This WA900 had reached its component hours, so Mount Gibson Iron sent it down to Komatsu's Welshpool workshop for a rebuild. This is a real frontline machine. If this stops, production stops. Like most of our big miners, they can't afford to take risks, not when it affects the bottom line.
From the very first day as an apprentice at Komatsu, I got taught one very important thing. If you're going to do a job, you do it right.
The WA900 is widely used in the iron ore industry and in lots of other mining industries around Australia, and in particular the north of West Australia. We keep a pretty close check on the maintenance hours. This one, as you can see, is ready to go back. We've completely rebuilt this machine. It's as good as gold now. When this massive machine gets back to work, back at the mine site, it'll go all right. It'll handle it all and it won't break down. So when that's what you're looking for, you'd better look for Komatsu.